In this video, I will show you how you can change your host name on your VRBO listing. Let me quickly show you what I mean by that. So when people are looking at your listing and when they scroll down, and I will show you how you can change the name that is appearing here. And if you want to change the role, if you want to show as a owner or a property manager, you can change that too at the same time. Try and do this from VRBO website because phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged in, just go to the top right section where you will see your name. Click on that and then click on owner dashboard. That will take you to your listing. And once the listing is open, click on property in the left menu and then go to edit property. And on the next page, just scroll down and you will see contact information option. Click on that. And this is where you will see the name that is being shown there currently. If you want to add a new name, you will need to add a new contact here. So click on add new contact and then just enter the name which you want into this field. If you want to give it a new email address, you can choose this option, or in my case, I will just leave it like that. You don't have to change anything else. Just click on save. At the same time, if you want to change the role of that person, you can change it here. For example, at the moment, I have chosen property manager, but if you want to mark it as the owner of the property, you can do that and it will display accordingly. Once you do the change, it won't be visible straight away. You will need to leave it for up to 8 hours. And after that, when you go back in, you will see the updated name on your listing. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.